Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I am so super excited to share with you guys what we will be testing out today. Today we are going to be doing, dun dun dun, can you guys see? Whoa. We're going to be doing Ancestry.com, Ancestry DNA, Ancestry.com. So I wanted to do this. My parents are both Mexican. They were born in, my father was born in Guadalajara and my mom was born in Zacatecas, I believe. I'm not exactly sure. I think that's right. And I am first generation Mexican American here. I was born and raised here, as well as my siblings. And even though my parents are, born, raised in Mexico, I wanted to find out where my ancestors came from and, what kind of bloodline I might have. I just wanted to find out, get more information. So I ordered Ancestry DNA.com or Ancestry.com, and I was debating whether I should do this one or the 23andMe. I went more towards this one, first of all, because of the price. I believe 23andMe, the regular price on it is $199, and this one was $100 regular price, but they do have a sale right now for $69.99. I will put the link in the comments down below. With shipping, I paid $74.95 for this. I did order it February 19th. I ordered it, and it was delivered yesterday, which was February 24th. So this is the kit, the initial kit, and you do whatever you need to do. I haven't opened it. I wanted to open it with you guys to see, what it's like. I wanted to do this with you. So this will be part 1 of this video. I will upload part 2 once I get the results. So I have had several people that I know that have done this and they absolutely love it. They got great results. So I don't know, let's see. Also, just a quick side note, I put up new lights. There's a new lighting situation. I'm still kind of trying to figure it out because my ideal time to film, I usually use normal sunlight to film, but if I'm not filming between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m., I can't film the whole day, or if there's no sun out. So I put up a couple lights. Let me know what you guys think. The bulbs that I'm using are 60 watt. I think I might need to go a little bit softer, but let me know what you guys think. Okay, so let me open this up. So when we open it, it comes delivered just like this. The shipping label is on here and everything. So I'm gonna open it up. And I have my window open. Excuse the background noise. I think there was a motorcycle that just went by. Okay, so, all right. So this is what the box looks like. It says Ancestry DNA. So it looks just like this. Let's see what it is. I do notice it has a barcode on here. I don't know if that's unique to everybody, but let me cut this open or lift this little sticker up. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. There's tons of information in here. So let's start. Okay, so it has a little pamphlet right here. It says, Ancestry DNA, welcome to Ancestry DNA. Simply complete the following steps and let the discoveries begin. 1, activate kit online, safe and secure. 2, gather DNA, simple and easy. And it says for instructions in Spanish, French, Dutch, Portuguese, and something else. You can, find them online. So let's see what's in here. Okay, it says, activate kit online. Step 1, do not skip this step. So we will not be skipping that step. It says go to ancestrydna.com/activate. It says don't have an Ancestry account. It's easy and free. We'll help you set one up. Let me grab my my iPad. Give me just a second. Okay, so I entered my login information. It did ask me who the, you know what? Let me lock this because it keeps flipping everywhere and it's annoying me. Oh, uh-oh. Okay, so it asked me who was taking the test. It said me or a child, and it's me that's taking the test. So it's asking me to enter a 15-digit code. So there is some stuff in this packet, so I want to show you guys what's in here. The first thing that's in here, it says this kit is designed for collection of human saliva samples. So it looks like this. I'm sorry, these, I think my lights might be way too bright here. Okay, so that's what it looks like here, and then the back of it, it has two little tubes in there. There's also a kit to a little box to mail the sample back in. So it says to enter the 15-digit code in this little sample thing. So let me open it up, and so I see the code right away. When I open it, I can see it there. So let me go ahead and open this up. All right. Oh, sorry, I'm having technical difficulties. Okay, so let me enter this code in here. Let's see. Give me just a second. 9J2F. Do 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 do. Oh. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay, so I entered the code. Now it's telling me to enter some information about myself. So let me enter that information. Let's see. Do, 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 do. It says, we invite you to participate in research conducted by us and our collaborators. Participation is voluntary. No additional work is needed. Data we share outside of Ancestry does not include your name. You're free to withdraw consent at any time. At this time, I'm not going to give consent because I don't know what exactly information they might use, so I don't want them to use my information. So it says, just how big is your family? When we process your DNA sample, we compare your results to other Ancestry members. If you choose to see your DNA matches, you will be listed as a match to them, and your matches can discover how you're related, view each other's profiles, send messages to each other. Would you like to see your DNA matches and be listed as a match? I don't know. Why not? You know, I don't know. Okay, so it says, the display preference determines what is shown to others who have DNA in common with you. You can show them your complete information or show only what you have in common. I would do only what I have in common because I don't know who might be looking at my things. So it has, the next screen says activate now. So I'm going to activate now. And then it takes me to another screen that says link to a family tree. Success. You have successfully activated your Ancestry DNA kit. Have you already mailed your sample? If not, please remember to send it in. And then it says you can expect results in 6 to 8 weeks. So this is what the website looks like. It's actually really easy to navigate. So what I'm going to do is I just put my tablet down. So now this is what the collection tube looks like here. Now, okay, I'm gonna be real honest with you guys. Okay, so let me just cover up my code a little so you guys don't see that. I don't know what you guys can do with it, but it does say that you have to spit all the way up to this line. So about this much of spit, that's a lot of spit. That's actually pretty gross, but I'm not gonna spit it on camera because that's pretty gross. So I'm gonna read to see what exactly we need to do on here. It just says that the kit is designed for collection, but I don't see much. Oh, actually, you know what? Let me get that's what the little brochure is for. Okay, so I'm back at the little brochure. Okay, so it says, enter your code, fill the tube with saliva to the black wavy line, which is this one right here. And then it says replace the funnel with a cap. And then it says fill the tube with your saliva, not including bubbles, or just above the wavy line. It's easy. It's less than 1/4 teaspoon. Don't overfill. It says replace the funnel with a cap. Remove the funnel from the tube. Screw on the enclosed cap tightly to release the solution. This will stabilize the DNA in your saliva. Tighten to release stabilizing fluid. You'll know it works when the blue solution from the cap is emptied into the tube. Shake the tube for 5 seconds. Place the tube in the collection bag and mail your sample. So what I'm supposed to do is spit in here up into this line. Once that's done, screw this onto here, right? And then this little water will release into here. Shake it for 5 seconds. Put it in my envelope, put it in my box, and it's ready to go. So let me step away from the camera for a second. I'm gonna go to the restroom real quick so that I can spit in this. I don't want to be gross and be like hawking loogies in here. So give me just a second. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I was looking at this tube and I thought that you had to fill this like all this with spit. It's not that whole thing. It's actually just this little spot right here. But I am gonna tell you, trying to make spit come out and spitting into a tube, I was like I felt like I was gonna hurl, but I didn't. So this says to shake it up for 5 minutes. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5. Okay, so it's all gone. All the look, all the water's up here. So I guess I have to let it like drip back down. How do we do that? Let's see. Look, all the water came up there instead of like down here. So do I just let it drip or something or what? Let me see. Oh, it's coming back down. Hold on. Like you just like lean it to the side and it'll come back down. Okay, so it's all there, right? So it says after this step here, you are going to, what are we gonna do? I forgot. Insert the cap tube into the bag. With what cap though? Hold on, I don't know if there's a separate cap. I don't think there was. Oh no, you leave it just like this. This is how, there's no other cap. Like you leave this exactly like this. So I'm gonna make sure it's sealed tight. I'm gonna put this, there's a little like a wipey sheet in here. Let me see what this is for. It says, by sending your DNA sample, you acknowledge the sample will be processed by Ancestry DNA in the United States for the purposes described and archived, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it says, insert cap tube into bag, seal the collection bag. Okay, so let me put this in here. So I'm gonna throw that in there. We're gonna seal this up. Take out that little thing. Seal this up. It's sealed, and it says put bag into return mailer. So this is what this looks like. So here's the little box we're gonna mail it in. So let me put this in here. Okay, and then it has an adhesive liner right here so that you can seal it. Can you guys see that? So let me take this off, and that's it. It's off to the lab it goes. I'm gonna mail this out in tomorrow's mail. I don't wanna leave it overnight in the mailbox. I don't know why, but I'll send it out in the mail tomorrow. And that was it. It took us, what, about 6-7 minutes to get all of this completed from start to finish. I mean, it did take longer because I'm actually recording, but you know, this actual process from the time you open it up to the time you're done is not dumb. You're not dumb. To the time you're done is actually pretty fast. I'm super excited to get my results. A friend of mine did tell me that he got his results in 4 weeks. So I'm hoping, you know, it doesn't take as long as 6 to 8 weeks that it normally states on here, but if it does, then it does. So I'll keep you guys posted on part number 2, where I'll upload my results, not upload, but where we'll review our results and see what I think. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Please, please, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button somewhere there down below. Also the little bell notification so that you're notified every single time I upload a video, because why would you want to miss out on all this fun? Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.